Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can clean the mine filter in Beko SteamCure B100. So the mine filter is located here on the front of your device. There we have the drum. To open it, push the cover, and as you can see, there we have a gray filter element. Now remember, there is a risk of the water leakage, so remember to prepare before the vessel or something to just stop the water leaking. Now to remove the filter, we have to turn this gray cover to the left side, and after that you can freely remove the filter. So it's quite heavy to turn it. Okay, never mind, I don't have enough force for it. I don't know what's happening, but this is the way how you can do it. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.